My journey begins when I board an Emirates Airline flight to Cairo. It's not every day that I get to experience first class, so I think I'm in for a treat.
Good morning, Miss Piper. How are you? Wish you a nice flight, Mrs. Nicola. Take you to your seat. Have a nice flight.
The seat is a flat bed in a shell with a built-in minibar and table. There are lots of extras like adjustable headrests and noise-cancelling headsets. A 6-course dinner menu is served with wine from Australia, France and the USA. I'm staying at Cairo's newest hotel, the Kempinski, on the banks of the Nile. On my first day in Cairo, I visit the Khan el-Khalili souk, which was built in the 14th century. The souk is enormous. You could spend all day walking around the streets and alleyways looking at hookah pipes, perfume, colourful scarves, spices and all kinds of souvenirs. After hours of shopping, getting back to the hotel is half the fun, as there's a bit more haggling to do with all the taxi drivers waiting outside the souk. There are 118 pyramids in Egypt and 9 on the Giza Plateau in Cairo. Behind me is the Great Pyramid, which is 4,600 years old and the only remaining wonder of the ancient world. A flight to Luxor brings me to a treasure trove of temples, statues and tombs. Karnak Temple's sky-high columns and soaring walls are impressive, but the highlight is the Valley of the Kings. King Tut's tomb, which was discovered in 1922, is the only royal tomb found with its treasures intact. What's amazing is that King Tut was only a minor king, who died before he could accumulate a substantial fortune. His dazzling riches, gold, jewels and figurines, around 3,500 items in all, is a main feature of the Egyptian Antiquities Museum in Cairo. I board the Aegean Odyssey at Safaga, a port on the Red Sea, and cruise towards the Suez Canal. Most of my time on board is spent browsing the library's collection of classical history, literature, art and philosophy books. Each day we gather in the Ambassador Lounge to attend tour briefings, highly informative lectures and the nightly entertainment. There are 2 bars and 2 restaurants, the Marco Polo, which is a formal dining restaurant, and the Casual Terrace restaurant. My deluxe stateroom on the bridge deck is spacious and has a sitting area, balcony and a large bathroom with a bathtub and shower. The ship docks at the popular seaside resort town of Sharm el-Sheikh. We travel through the Sinai desert to St. Catherine's Monastery at the foot of Mount Sinai, where Moses received the 10 Commandments and confronted the burning bush. As dawn breaks, we cruise into the Suez Canal. The canal is 163 kilometers long and connects the Gulf of Suez to the Mediterranean. During World War II, Italian battleships were interned in the Great Bitter Lake by the Allies. From the Great Bitter Lake, we cruise towards Port Said on the Mediterranean and towards our next adventure in the Middle East. Fly Emirates to Dubai and on to Cairo, see www.emirates.com. Voyages to Antiquities 15-day cruise, see www.cruisetraveller.com.au.